First, turn on the power. The indicator light will light up. Then open the water pipe. You will hear the sound of water coming in. The water injection process takes about 3 to 5 minutes. When using it for the first time, you need to measure the required concentration. You can see several commonly used concentration ratios at this location. Open the lid first. Easy to measure the amount of milk powder and water output in a single time. The amount of milk powder is fixed at one time. The amount of water is controlled by this valve. Just pour the milk powder into the bucket. Then, the heating switch can be turned on. This is the heating switch. The indicator light comes on when it is turned on. This is 0 degrees Celsius. The maximum temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. After heating, the heating lamp will go out. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes to reach 40 degrees Celsius. Heating is completed after 5 minutes. Now start debugging the concentration. Let's test milk powder first. This is the power switch. This is the conveyor switch. Let's turn on the power switch first to see the effect. You can see that water has begun. Let's first look at the amount of milk powder produced in a single time. Turn on the power switch first. Turn on the conveyor switch at the same time. Paper cup weighs 6 grams, 53 minus 6 is 47 grams. Convert the required amount of water based on 47 grams of milk powder. Requires 470 grams of water. This valve adjusts the water output. When measuring water, turn off the switch for milk powder delivery. Shows insufficient water. We need to turn this valve to increase. Adjust until it can produce 470 grams of water at a time. After debugging to the required concentration, install the lid on. The lid is conducive to the insulation of the mixing chamber. Note that after debugging the required concentration, do not move the water valve again. In actual use, the machine and the ground must have a drop of about 2 meters. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the conveyor switch. The machine achieves rapid fusion through high-speed stirring. If there are animals to eat milk at this time, this amount will gradually decrease. After the amount of milk becomes smaller, it will automatically increase again. The milk in the math is the same concentration,